同学们，大家好！今天和老师一起学习汉字第三课 Part 1. Hello everyone. Today, together with 老师, we will get to know characters writing lesson 3, Part 1. 人 right? This character is 人 people, person, human being. It's from the picture of a person, so you can see this is the body and the back and the arm of this person, and this is the body parts. The later version, in the later version, this is the body and the arm. During the ancient time, this person either face right or face left, but today we make this form of the writing of the 人, you have to make sure the left stroke 撇 always above the right stroke 那. And if two people, 1 and 2, they are above 土, right? 人 and 人, two of them above 一个土, then it's another combined character. This is the Asian form of this combined character, so you can see it's the soil and one person, the other person. So this is the combined character of 坐 sit, right? Two people sit on back of each other and sit above the ground. And please pay attention, once you want to write a combined character, the form of 人 changed a little bit. This stroke 那 is no longer a full 那. It gets to be a dot only, right? So this is the combined character of 坐, 请坐, please sit down. 他 he or she, right? Before when we mentioned 他, either he or she or it, but in the writing forms, all these 他, they are different. So we look at the writing form. This is 他, which is combined with a 人 and 也, right? 也 is the character we got to know before. 人 and the 也 together. 人 at the left hand side present the meaning it's about people. 也 at the right hand side present meaning it's about person at the third place. So this is 他 him. And if we change the meaning, right, the component about the meaning at the left hand side to be 女 as this one, 女, then it's about female, but the right hand side same form, and it's another combined character. Actually, before we introduce already, this is 他 for her. And pay attention, if 人 in a combined character, we want to borrow the meaning of person, human being, in the combined character, especially at the left hand side, the form somehow changed to be this one. 撇 is still there, but 那 is no longer 那. It becomes 一树. So 他 for everyone, right? Unisex, either man or a lot of women, 他们, right? For example, if 他们, them, they, if it's a lot of people together, we use this one, or only for him. But if it's about female only, we use this version, right? This 他. 你们 you, more than one person. 你 it's 人 together with this structure. This structure actually is another character. This character, if as a character, it's read as right? In Asian literature, means you. But today we don't mention anymore. We say 你. So the left hand side denotes the meaning. It's about a person, and the same as when we mentioned in the ancient time about So it's you, 你, the person at the second place. And another character 们. The left hand side is still from the components of person 人 And the right hand side is the character we learned before, men. So this men in the combined character denotes pronunciation. And when we put them together, it's men about people. So it's 你们,我们,他们, the men. So these two characters, 你们. 十 is a character of number 10. Originally, the form of 10 is just a vertical line. So apparently you can see Asian people, they calculate 1, 2, 3, 4 until 10. And when it's 10, they use one vertical line to mark everything, right? To mark it. One horizontal line, two horizontal lines. Until 10, they use vertical line to mark it. Later, the form changed a little bit. People use a dot or one simple stroke to highlight the vertical line. Means it's not a simple vertical line, it's a 10. So later, we develop this form to be a cross, right? Make it balanced, a squared, simplified version, 10, 10. So far you have seen so many characters about numbers already. 1, 2, 3. So at that time, people mark the number 1 横 as 1, 2 横 as 2, and 3 横 as 3. And can you imagine maybe they mark until 10 and use one vertical line to cross everything, shows it's about 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Some of the characters we learned already, some of them not yet. But please try to memorize these 10 characters for the number. 笔 呢, is the picture of a dagger. But during the ancient time, you can see the form, right? The form looks like the form of 人. So in the ancient time, 人, the Asian character for 人 and the 笔, somehow people use only use the same one. But today we make them quite different. So for 笔, and this part is the blade, right? This part is the blade, and this is the handle, the bar. So it's a picture of a dagger, and we can double it as one character. Today we make it square, so the handle parts have to come to right longer. And in the ancient time, the blades either at the left or sometime at the right. But today we can see it's at the right side, right? 笔. And once we duplicate this structure, 笔 and the 笔 together, it becomes 笔. This is the combined character of 笔. 笔 means compare. It's from the Asian version, the Asian character, just two daggers, put them together, or maybe two persons, they are together. So what are they doing? 笔, compare. We put two daggers together or make people, two persons, stand together to see whether they are same or different. So 笔, right, compare. And the left hand side, we make it smaller, so the form changes a little bit. The stroke doesn't come to the right fully, and it stops here and becomes T, right? So this is the combined character 笔 to compare, comparison. 中 middle, 中国 or China, 中国 middle land, the country on the middle land. So 中 originally from the picture of this bar, right? This bar, we call it string hello. So somehow we use this bar and to organize the strings. When making a textile, or just a bar for people to organize some sort of strings. So you can see this is the bar and the strings on the bar. Circle on the bar shows the circle. Later the form changes to be this one. It's more simple. And today our character from this form. 中 middle. 日 from the picture of the sun. The sun is just a circle, and one mark in middle to highlight it's not any hollow circle. It's the shining one, the sun. And in combined characters, the sun denotes either something, any object about the sun, or most of the time it denotes the meaning about time. So I give you some examples here. 时间 means time, so you can see both characters with the component of sun. 明 from the word 明天. 明 itself means bright. 明天 tomorrow. When it gets bright again, then it's tomorrow. So in this character, 明, there's a sun. So this character, the sun denotes the meaning about the sun. When you see the sun again, it's bright again, it's tomorrow. 晴 about the sun, because 晴 means sunny. When you can see the sun, we can say the day is 晴天, sunny day. About time, this one, right? The sun is at the top. Early, 早 means early. So you can see this. So you can see the sun. It denotes about time. 晚, also the component of sun denotes it's about time. Late. Why this form in a combined character denotes the meaning about time? Because Asian people, they look at the sun to tell time. And pay attention to the writing, the order of strokes. We finish this half square, half frame first, and one stroke inside. At the last, seal it up. 贝 today used in the word as 宝贝, right? 贝贝, preciousness or baby. It's from the picture of shell. We can see this is the shell. And today we keep the form still the shell and something inside the shell, right? And in combined characters, this form, shell, right, 贝, denotes the meaning about money, because during the ancient time, people used shells as the currency, as the money. So for example, 贵, expensive. We can see the component of 贝 here. 贱, cheap. So no need a lot of money, then it's cheap. And we can see the 贝 at the left hand side. 贪, greedy, wants a lot of money. 贝 at the bottom. 败, lose, either lose the money or lose a fortune. 贝, and we can see the 贝 at the left hand side. So 贝 today denotes meaning in combined characters. It denotes the meaning as about money, but as a character, as one character, it still means shell. And that's for today. Thank you everyone. 谢谢大家。